In an emergency, seconds count. You need a quick yet controlled escape that ensures the worker reaches the ground safely. This system can be used for rapid evacuation as well as managed and multi-person descents in a variety of environments. No evacuation or descent situation is the same. This video will provide you with an overview of 4 common applications, followed by a quick review of the components. When there is an urgent need to evacuate quickly, the device controls the rate of descent even without use of the built-in belay. First, establish a secure overhead anchorage point. Attach carabiner at top of device to anchor. Attach carabiner at the rope termination to your dorsal D-ring. Check that area below is clear, then drop rope. Adjust the rope tension to remove slack between device and user. Prepare for descent. In this case, clearing the railing at the edge of the platform and bracing feet against the platform base. Worker releases hold when ready. Device controls descent to a max speed of 6.6 feet per second to safely reach lower working surface. The device is engineered to safely control a worker's descent to a lower level during an emergency evacuation. 2 integral rope belays allow user to manage descent. Device is anchored overhead, connected to worker's dorsal D-ring. First, establish a secure overhead anchorage point. Attach carabiner at top of device to anchor. Secure rope in one or both integral belays on device. Attach carabiner at rope termination to dorsal D-ring. Check that area below is clear, then drop rope to ground. Adjust the rope tension to remove slack between device and user. Prepare for descent. In this case, clearing the railing at the edge of the platform and bracing feet against the platform base. With rope secured in belay on device, user manages rate for smooth, slow descent. Use of the integral rope belays allows the user to hold the rope for added control to manage the rate of descent. Device is secured with foot-level anchorage. 2 integral rope belays allow user to manage descent. The carabiner at top of device connects to user's front or sternal D-ring. Check that area below is clear, then drop rope to ground. Prepare for descent, clearing the railing and bracing feet against the platform base. Adjust the rope tension to remove slack between device and user. With rope secured in belay on device, user manages rate for smooth, slow descent. Having the device positioned on the user improves access to the integral belays, providing maximum control for a smooth, slow descent. The bidirectional functionality allows 2 users on the same work surface to make sequential descents on the same device. First, user descends as shown in emergency evacuation, disconnecting once safe. Second user ties and dresses the appropriate alpine butterfly knot to act as their device connection point. User number 2 uses carabiner to connect loop and rope to Sternal D-ring, ensuring connection is secure. User number 2 prepares for descent, clearing the railing, then releasing hold when ready. Consecutive descents provide a safe option for 2 or more workers to evacuate quickly in an emergency. The bidirectional functionality saves critical time when it counts. The Safewaze evacuation and descent system is engineered to limit speed for a controlled descent. Before an emergency, users must be trained on the equipment and proper use. Each use must be recorded in the log provided to ensure the maximum cumulative descent distance is not exceeded for each device. Rescue plans save lives. Visit us online for full details.